Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. And battery. Removal. Remove the two 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left front speaker to the top cover. Lift the left front speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and set aside. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the card reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover and touchpad board. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the card reader board.